survival knife with shaft and display case. And this is very interesting looking case that you get here. And if you want to give this away as a gift, this is just beyond awesome. So taking this out, and let's see what is inside over here. And we have the actual knife with the shaft over here. We also have a cleaning cloth and a little piece of instructions in here as well. Let's get started with the actual knife. As a survivalist, this is an awesome survival knife. And the best part about this is that you get very nice knife, you get the actual shaft, and you can easily go ahead and take it out. And when you take it out, it's pretty easy over here. We can unstrap it just right here. And then what you have to do is put your finger over here and move it just like this. And we get this awesome looking knife over here. So the shaft just looks like this. And it is awesome because you have a shaft that you can use and you can put it away because it is a fixed blade. And the knife itself is a beauty. So this is D2. It is exceptionally nice and sharp. This is why I'm wearing the gloves here. The knife itself is really nice looking. It is great for slicing and dicing. So let's go ahead and test it out, how this knife actually performs in a real life test. And let's see. Pretty impressive right now. It's pretty good. Really sharp. Now, let's check it out how it dices. Excellent. Carving out. Alright, let's see how well it cuts. Yes. Next thing. Excellent. Should we? Ooh. Oh yes. Goes right through the harder side. Just as good. There is absolutely no marks on the knife. Excellent. Down slope. Yep. Up slope. Excellent performance.